Sir, now the next terminology, very very important, sir. Is it possible to create object for abstract class? Directly not possible, but indirectly possible or not? Yes or no? Directly not possible because abstract class, right? Directly not possible, but indirectly is it possible or not? Okay. How many people are feeling yes? Okay. Make sure whether for abstract class it is not possible to create object either directly or indirectly, because when we should go for abstract class, man, partially implemented class. If the implementation is not complete, how you can create an object? That's why for abstract class, either directly or indirectly, we can't create object. Clear for all of it? So point number 1. So directly or indirectly you can't create object for abstract class, then what is the need of constructor inside abstract class? Regarding abstract class can contain constructor, but what is the need? Anyway, you are not going to create object for abstract class directly or indirectly, but abstract class can contain constructor. What is the need? Are you getting the point, right? Sir, let me explain with a big example. I will explain what is the advantage of abstract class constructor. Okay, here listen a bit very carefully, sir. A bit lengthy explanation, just a bare 10 minutes. Most valuable point you people are going to get, I'm sure. Here just observe. I have one class is there. Okay, abstract class person. Here just I will take into 2 modules, without a constructor in abstract class, with a constructor in abstract class. What is the difference, right? Sir, let me take first part, sir. What is my first part is without constructor in abstract class. Sir, in the abstract class, I don't want to take constructor, sir. Next, second half, I will explain with the constructor in abstract class, what is the advantage, sir. Sir, now let me take a simple example. I have one class is there. Okay, abstract class person is there, sir. Abstract class person. Can you spell out for every person how many properties are there? Hundreds of properties. Name, age, height, weight, father name, mother name, gender, next address. Are you getting dot like so? Qualification, like, I mean, there are several. Sir, here let me strict to 2 properties. Later I will generalize, sir. String the name, int age. That's all. How many properties are there, sir? 2 properties are there. Assume like that 100 properties may be a chance, but let me stick to only for 2 properties. Later I will generalize, right? Sir, here have you observed? It is abstract class. Anyway, I am not going to create an object. That's why I don't want to take the constructor. Without constructor, with constructor, inside abstract class, what is the difference? I have to explain. Now observe, for this person, there are several child classes I can take. Sir, class, here observe, I am taking class, sir, student, class student, extends, class student extends person. Observe carefully, sir, class student extends person. So, automatically for the student, these 2 properties will come or not? Yes. In addition to that, can you spell out some more properties, sir? Int roll number, int marks, like some more properties I can take. Sir, now I want, can you please tell student got total how many properties are there for the student? 4 properties. Name, age, roll number, marks. Sir, in the parent, I don't want to take any constructor, because the reason is I am not going to create an object for person. That's why I don't want to take any constructor in the parent. But so if a constructor is not there, who is the responsible to perform initialization for all the 4 properties? Child constructor only. Now, can you please guide, sir? Student of string, student of string name, int age, student of string name, int age, int what is the code? int roll number, comma int marks. Sir, observe carefully. 4 properties are there. Now, what code I have to take? This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age. This dot roll number is equal to roll number. This dot marks is equal to marks, sir. Total initialization job is going to take care only by child class constructor, because for the parent I don't want to take constructor, because for the abstract class we can create an object. Are you able to understand that? Now let me create one object, sir. Student object. Student S1 is equal to new student of Durga. Student S1 is equal to new student of Durga and 48, roll number 101 and 90, something like I took. Sir, here which constructor is responsible to perform initialization for all the 4 properties, sir? Child constructor, because parent doesn't contain any constructor. That's why your name is Durga and age 48 and roll number 101 and what is the next one, sir? Marks is 90. Are you getting? I don't want to take any constructor in the parent class, because I don't want to create an object. Of course, object creation not possible because it's an abstract class, right? Sir, this is the first child class, sir. Okay, let me take one more child. Class, okay, student, class teacher, extends, class teacher extends person. Can you tell automatically these 2 properties will come for the teacher also or not? Yes. Okay, now my question is, can you spell out some specific properties of teacher, sir? Double salary, the most valuable factor. Okay, double salary. Next, any other? String subject. Which subject is handling? Okay, like this. Okay, anyway, some more properties are there. Let me string. Now the teacher has, how many properties are there? 4 properties are there. Now here are your constructors are teacher of string name int age, string name int age and double salary. Sir, observe, I am using short words. I hope you can able to understand. Double salary. What is this one? String subject. Sir, can you please tell which code I have to write in the child constructor, sir? Hey, this dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age. This dot salary is equal to salary. This dot, okay, subject is equal to subject, sir. This dot subject is equal to subject, like this, right? Sir, I want to create one teacher object. Are you getting? Teacher T is equal to new teacher of, okay, name, okay, some Nagur, okay, next age, okay, 47, next time after that salary, some 25k, some 25k, string subject is Java subject. Assume that. So now, whenever you are creating teacher object, okay, which constructor is responsible to perform initialization on this child? Because parent doesn't contain constructor. Total initialization job who is going to take care is child constructor only. Sir, name is Nagur. Next, age is 47. Next one after that, what is the next one? Salary. What is the salary, sir? 25. Next, subject. What is the subject? Java, like. That's all, sir. Sir, this is without the constructor in abstract class. Are you getting? Sir, it's a very simple. What I did, even I am taking much time, but here I didn't do much activity. I took one abstract class, only 2 properties are there. Of course, now I took student and the teacher like child classes. Here 2 more properties are there. Total initialization job, which constructors who took care, sir? Who takes care? Child constructors only take care because parent constructor is not there. Are you getting? So without a constructor in abstract class, this is the story, right? But let me generalize the cinema. What problem is there here? Very simple, sir. In the parent, how many properties are there? How many properties are there? 2. Like assume that 100 properties are there, sir. Assume, generalize, sir. 100 properties are there. Here, how many child classes I created? How many child classes I created? Student, teacher, like assume that 1000 child classes I created. Generalize, let me generalize. 1000 child classes I created. Up to this is the clear. So class teacher, next class principal, class employee, that. Like all the 1000 child classes I created, right? So if you don't want to take constructor inside abstract class, assume who is the responsible to perform initialization for all these 100 properties are child constructor only. Correct or not? Because you don't want to take constructor in the abstract class, child constructor. If it is the case, in every child constructor, how many child classes are there? 1000. In every child constructor, the first 100 lines exactly same or not? This not name, this not age, this not height, this not weight. Like 100 properties here and here and the next child same or not? So this not name, this not age, like 100 properties. So here I have to take, and in the next child I have to take. In every 1000 child classes I have to take or not? Okay? Unnecessary duplicate code is going to come. Code redundancy will come into the picture. Are you getting that? Because same code I am writing. Here 100 properties, here 100 properties, here 100 properties. Like how many child classes are there? How many? 1000. In 1000 child classes, every child constructor, either code is the same or not? The first 100 lines is the same. Unnecessary duplicate code. Are you getting? Redundant code. How you can solve these problems are? These many times I am not required to write. How you can solve this problem? Simple. Take constructor inside abstract class. Are you getting? If I can take constructor inside abstract class, how my life will become easy? Just I will show for you. Here see second half with constructor. With the constructor in abstract class. With the constructor in abstract class. Are you getting? Here very simple, sir. What is the class? Abstract class. Can you spell out? Abstract class person. Abstract class person. Here string name. String name int age. String name int age. Next here let me take constructor, sir. Person of string name int age. This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age, sir. Are you getting? Up to this is the clear. Now what is the advantage of taking this one, sir? This constructor inside abstract class. What is the advantage? I will explain. Here see this one. What is the first class, sir? Class student extends person. For the student, how many properties are there? 2 properties. String. Okay. Can you spell out what the 2 properties are? Int roll number, int marks. Int roll number, int marks. Sir, now student of, how many properties are there for the student total? 4 properties are there. String name, int age, next int roll number, int marks. 4 properties are there. Can you please tell what is the first line, sir? Super. We are not required to perform initialization for these properties here because already parent contain constructor. Just a call. What is this line? Super of name comma age. Automatically this constructor is going to take care. Remaining properties are what? What are the remaining properties, sir? This done roll number is equal to roll number. This done marks is equal to marks, sir. This marks is equal to marks like this. Sir, this is about student constructor. Are you getting? But in the earlier, student class contain how many lines of the code? Student constructor contain how many lines of the code? 4 lines. But now, how many lines of the code? Only 3 lines. And one is a call. Are you getting? And one is a call to parent constructor. Assume if the parent class contain 1000 properties or 100 properties, 100 lines of the code, we are not required to write just only one line. What is that line, son? Super. Itself is enough. For all those 100 properties, who is going to take care, son? Parent constructor is going to take care to perform initialization, right? Sir, now here just observe. Listen this one, sir. I want to create student object. Student S is equal to new student of, okay, Durga 48 101 90, like this I'm taking. Are you getting? Sir, here I create. Whenever we are creating, automatically constructor will execute or not? Yes. This who is the responsible to perform initialization for name and age? Parent constructor, right? Are you getting? Name, can you please tell name? Durga, and age 48, roll number 101, and the marks 90. Sir, first 2 properties initialization is going to take care by parent constructor. Next remaining properties initialization is going to take care by child. Sir, assume parent class contain 100 properties. For all those 100 properties, initialization will be performed at parent level. Just we have to use one line. What is that line, sir? Super. Is it clear? Sir, let me take another class. Class teacher extends, class teacher extends person. Now here I am taking, can you spell out teacher properties, sir? Double salary, next string subject. Double salary, string subject, sir. Here we have to take teacher of, can you spell out string name, int age, double salary. What is the next one? String subject like. Sir, observe. Can you please tell, am I required to perform initialization for all 4 properties here only? No. Just I will call what? Super of name. Super of name and age. Automatically, parent is going to take care of initialization. Parent constructor will take care about initialization. What the remaining properties are? This the salary is equal to salary. This the subject is equal to subject. Okay? Make sure. Now, let me create one student object, sir. One teacher object. Teacher T is equal to new teacher of some Nagore. Okay, 47. Next 25. Next and after that Java. Like I'm taking. Are you getting? Sir, here if I create, automatically this constructor will come. Immediately from here, super. Because of super constructor will take care. Name, what is the name, sir? Nagore. Age 47. Next and after that, what is the next one? Salary 25. Subject is Java. Sir, take a bit special care. With the constructor inside abstract class, without the constructor inside abstract class, observe the difference, sir. Sir, if the parent class contain 100 properties, in every child class, for all those 100 properties, compulsory we have to perform initialization because parent doesn't contain constructor. Sir, 100 lines in every child constructor. If the code is the same or not? Same code. Code redundancy problem will come. Okay, this way. But if I can take constructor inside abstract class, what is the advantage is, if I can take constructor inside abstract class, so for all these 100 properties, abstract class constructor is going to take care. In every child constructor we have to write only one line. What is that line, sir? Super line. So we are not required to perform initialization for these 100 properties 1000 times in every child. Are you getting? Just in every child constructor I have to use what? Super. Can you please tell what is the advantage of abstract class constructor? Now are you seeing or not? What is the advantage of constructor inside abstract class? Code reusability. Are you getting? Same code will be reused For every child class object, length of the code will be reduced, readability by default will be improved. What is the biggest advantage of constructor inside abstract class? Sir, anyway you can't create object for abstract class, but still abstract class can contain constructor. What is the purpose is? To perform initialization for child object purpose only. Sir, what is the advantage? Very simple. Code reusability. If I can create 1000 child classes, for all 1000 child classes, this constructor is the common, so that we are not required to write this code multiple times in every child constructor. Code reusability is the biggest advantage, sir. Are you able to understand that? Okay, so this is what you people should aware clearly, right? So can you please take this one, or 1 minute, add the point, add the theory. Whenever wait, what is the last point you took? Add, yes, add. Anyway, we can't create object for abstract class. Either directly or indirectly. We can't create object for abstract class either directly or indirectly, comma, but abstract class can contain constructor. Abstract class can contain constructor. What is the need? But abstract class can contain constructor. What is the need? Okay, yeah, the answers are. The main objective of abstract class constructor is, to perform initialization, for the instance variables, which are inheriting from abstract class, to the child class, Next up, whenever we are creating child class object, automatically parent constructor, automatically abstract class constructor will be executed. Automatically abstract class constructor will be executed to perform initialization for the instance variables, which are inheriting from abstract class, within bracket code reusability, which are inheriting from abstract class, within bracket code reusability. That's all. Are you able to understand? So what is the advantage of constructor inside abstract class? Sir, are you able to see the advantage? Are you able to see the advantage of abstract class constructor? Sir, assume if this constructor is not there in the abstract class, assume sir, if this constructor is not there in the abstract class, then these 100 properties, who is the responsible to perform initialization? In the child class. But how many child classes are there? 1000. Assume that in all 1000 child classes, compulsory we have to perform initialization of these properties separately and so on. But if I can take this constructor, in the child, we are not responsible to perform initialization for this because this constructor is going to take care. But from child class constructor, one line is enough. What is that line sound? Super. Is it clear for all of you? Here, just super, automatically for all these 100 properties will be initialized. The biggest advantage of abstract class constructor is code reusability. Is it clear for all of you? So this is the benefit of one abstract class constructor. Clear for all of you? Some people may feel, sir, directly we can't create object for abstract class, but indirectly we can create object for abstract class. For that purpose, constructor is required. 100% pakka wrong statement. Either directly or indirectly, we can't create object for abstract class. Clear for all of you, right? Okay. So this is what you people should aware. Better to take this example, sir. Take this example clearly. So first half, second half, and then total.